Hello guys, welcome back to Pianowithnick. Okay, so I'm here with another piano tutorial. Okay, so we are doing this particular song by Dunsin Oyekan, Judah. Okay, Judah by Dunsin Oyekan. We are looking at the piano tutorial of this particular song. Okay, so the song was done in the key of D, but I'm playing the key of F. So in the key of F, this is 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 1. Okay, so without much ado, this song has, I think, 4 different parts. Okay, so I'm going to take you through all of it. Okay, so without much ado, the first part that they did, okay, so they did this particular chord. Okay, so when they started the song, they do like Judah, 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 like that. Okay, so let's look at what they are doing. Okay, so they are doing this. Okay, so what do I have? I have the D, I have the A, I have the D, right? And I have the A, the D, and the F. So we have the La chord. Okay, the 6th chord. Okay, so first they start Judah, 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 A, Judah, 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 A, Judah, 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 A. Then you play. Okay, then we go to the other part. What am I doing? Let's break it down. Okay, so I'm doing this. Alright, so that part, it follows this. Let's check the progression first, then we add the melodies that I'm playing also. Okay, so the progression goes from the 2. Alright, the 2 also the same as Re. Okay, so you go to Re, then La, then Re, then La, then Re, then 4. Alright, the 4 we are voicing it different. Okay, so what am I doing? Like I said, it runs from the Re, La, Re, La, Re, then we go to the Fa. The Fa, the reason why I'm showing you the Fa chord is because the melody changes here. Okay, so I'm doing the B flat, the F, and the B flat. Right hand is doing the C, D, F, and A. Alright, okay, then alright, I'm doing the A, then E. Right hand is doing the A, D, E, and A. Then okay, alright, so whichever way you want to voice it is applicable here. Alright, but I would prefer this. Alright, okay, so let's go one more time. I will not to fight, I will not to done the body formation is a mystery of me. Alright, so let's check the melody that they were doing. Alright, so what is that? We already know the chord progression for this particular song. So it goes to the 2, 6, 2, 6, 2, 4, flat, 5, then 6. Okay, so the melody we are doing is, okay, I'm doing the D, the E, the F, the A, and the B flat, like this. Okay, so if I'm mentioning the so fast, it will be like La, Ti, Do, Mi, Fa. Okay, La, Ti, Do, Mi, Fa. Okay, so like this. Then you hit this particular chord. Before you hit the fa chord, you just play just 2 notes, okay, the D and the B flat. Okay. Okay. The moment your hand will hit this chord, then you will hit this particular chord on the left, okay. Okay. So that is B flat, the D, and the G, making the 2 chord here, okay. So this is just melody, okay. Walk up, okay. Then to the 6, okay. Then here you play another melody, okay. Okay. Here too you play the 2 chord, okay, the Re. So what is that I'm doing here? Okay. So I'm doing the A, the G, the F, the E, and the D. So it will be like Mi, Re, Do, Ti, La. Okay, Mi, Re, Do, Ti, La. Okay, so the first one. I will not be fine. I will not be fine. The body formation is a mystery of me. Okay, then I think they will sing Judah again. Judah, Judah, Judah. Okay, they will sing it a couple of times. Then they will come to another portion of this particular song. It goes like something like, I go with my Judah, I will never lose God, something like that. The body formation is a mystery. So let me show you what they were doing, okay? So the first chord they were doing was this. Okay, there's a particular pattern they play. I'm going to show you, so don't worry, okay? So, okay, so we are doing the D, the A, and the D on the left. Right hand is doing the A, the D, and the F. Okay, making the 6th chord, the La. Okay, then we come to the 4 chord, the Fa. Okay, the Fa have the B flat and F. Right hand is doing the B flat, the C, D, and F. Okay, first chord. Okay, then we are doing this the A, E. Right hand is doing the A, C sharp, and the E. Then to the 6. Okay, so you play it in this particular singer. I go with my Judah, I will never lose God. Never formation. Okay, so I think that's all there is to this particular song. Okay, so subscribe if you haven't. I will see you in another video. Okay, God bless you so much. Bye.